YouTube, Tropical here, man, with another banger video for y'all boys, man. You see the title of the video, man. So today what I'm going to do, I'm going to be styling some shorts. You feel me? Some shorts. Got some shorts on right now. And since it's about to become summertime soon, we're in the month of April, about to be May, June, July, you know, summertime about to come up, and I just decided I got some shorts right now I want to show y'all. I'm about to go style them. I got 4 of my best shorts right here. You know, I'm not gonna be doing too much talking other than that, man. Like, comment, subscribe if you're new to the channel. Press that Taco Bell logo so you don't miss another video. Press the bell, you feel me? I got so much heat, so much stuff coming to this channel, man. Once I get 100 subs, I got a very special gift for you guys. So tune in if you're a new subscriber. If you're an OG, just tune in, man. We're just gonna be going up and up and up, man. And yeah, man, other than that, man, let's get to this video, man. Second outfit, same shorts as the first outfit, some H&M shorts, gray shorts. I got these, it was basically for free, and I'm about to put this with the second fit I have on. Nothing too crazy, got some white drawstrings on it, and there's some gray shorts. You know, when it's hot, and it's a summer day, just toss up some gray shorts or some shorts on, and yeah, it'll go with it, it'll fit. But this is some gray shorts, got some back pockets. Go with the white tee again for this second outfit. Got this white tee, so I'm gonna toss on this white tee, some Hanes white tee. This is actual skinny and it's slim and it fits, so I'm gonna toss this with the gray shorts. With the bottoms, I'm gonna go with the 4s, the Columbia 4s. Nothing too crazy about these. They're kind of like a little bit beat up, not too much. Just got creases right here, but I need to clean them, make them look brand new again. Other than that, these are some 4s. I think the 4s are my favorite Jordan colorway, like four retro 4s are my favorite Jordans in general. But yeah, man, these are just the Columbia 4s. I'm about to put these on with the gray fit, white tank top, and some white socks. I'm showing you idea how it ends up looking like. So for this third outfit I have indeed for you guys, this third outfit, I'm starting out with the top piece. I got this Kobe Bryant shirt, so God Speaks, and it shows Kobe in the back. I got this Kobe Bryant shirt, it shows God Speaks in the front. I got this like a couple years ago, and I got this in size medium, and it's shrunk up. But this is gonna be the top piece for the first fit. Nothing too crazy, nothing too light. You feel me? Go, you hear me on the slide leg. Hell, let's do it. Let's do it. R.I.P. Kobe, man. I'll forever wear this shirt. Feel like a legend, man. Subscribe to my channel, my nigga. Look, for the bottom piece, we also got a matching piece of it. Got a black, well, not black, but we got a yellow, black, oranges, camo shorts. You feel me? Got this. This is a Fashion Nova piece. Well, not Fashion Nova, Forever 21, size medium. This was from my older brother, and I guess like he don't wear it no more. And like I seen that it's fire, and yeah, just a regular short piece. I'm definitely wearing this for the summertime. Like I'm definitely wearing this for the summertime. But they did go so hard. But nah, I'm gonna wear this. This is the bottom piece. I got the Kobe Bryant shirt, and yeah, nothing too crazy. I got the Yeezy slides for this. This is my little brother's actually. Shout out to little bro, little bro. You feel me? For letting me hold this for the video. I got the black Yeezy slides. It's gonna go match your fit and go indeed with it. So yeah, and I'm gonna toss these on with the fit, and I also got. Alright, so I'm back with the third or fourth outfit piece. I got these 2 shorts, these 2 fire shorts. I didn't know which one to pick, so I just like wanted to show y'all. I mean, indeed, just try both of them on just for you guys. So I got the, I don't know what is the name of it. It's called GG. So yeah, this is the shout out to them for, I guess, you know, the shorts. I got 2 of them. I got the black one, and I got the gray one. I indeed have another red one. I have a red one too also. But I don't know what the heck to wear with these. Like, if I was to style these right now, I'm not sure what to wear with these. So I just, like, you know, threw these to the side, and like I got the gray one. Got the gray one for today. We got the black one. So we're just gonna start with both of these for the bottom, gray and the black one. Just got a black top with it, you know. I always gotta have an undershirt with my, when I try on like shirts and stuff, always gotta have a white tank, white tee. So white tee, just basic white tee. Got a black tank top, I'm too crazy, slim black tank top, you feel me? W tank top, you feel me? W tank top, cause hey, if it's not a white one, you always gotta have a black tank top, you feel me? I mean, nah. Shout out to this tank top and nothing else. Black socks with it. Black socks, not too crazy. Black polo socks. And then I indeed do got the Balenciaga's track runners for these. This is a perfect fit with this. And then shorts. Yeah, you'll see how it indeed turned out. But yeah, I'm gonna show you how it indeed turned out. And yeah, I had caught these for on eBay for a good steal for like what? 300. I need to clean them. I think I only worn them 2 times. It's not gonna lie so far, but I need to clean them. Bottoms is dirty, but I've been keeping up with it. These are my actual first designer shoes, so you know I'm taking care of these little babies. I got more on the way. I got a shoe collection on the way, a video, so stay tuned after this video. And yeah, I'm gonna toss on these Balenciagas and I'm gonna show y'all the fit with it. Back with my last indeed fit. I got some black shorts, some black color Jordan shorts. It's black, pink, and kind of like lime green. Nothing too much, nothing too crazy about these. These are some Jordan shorts. You go crazy, you know, on a hot summer day. This is what you want to wear now. It's not really big. It's kind of like heavy a little, but you know, it'll pick up all it from that sweat. You feel me? This is a nice shorts. It's real comfortable. The leather and the material on this is just really, it feels really good. Like they have an inside also too. But yeah, it's just like some gym shorts, nothing too crazy. Got some black Jordan shorts, and then I'm gonna toss on another black tee. It's a regular black tee with it, nothing too crazy. Yeah, got a black tee with it, and then I got some socks. You feel me? Black socks again, some black polo socks. You feel me? Nothing too crazy. This one wore all black fit with this, and then I do have the easy slides for the last fit with this one. I'm gonna toss on the easy slides with this. I'm gonna mix the fit with this, and then I'm gonna show you, and I'm indeed, you feel me, tell you how it go. Yeah, other than that, this fit, I think I'm gonna stick to the end of the video because I'm gonna show y'all what is my best, what's the best fit I think I like out of all of these. But yeah, let me show y'all outfit number 5, the last fit. YouTube, man. So look, I'm back inside the crib. I'm back inside the room. Yeah, I just finished on with the last outfit, and geez, man, let me show you how I wrap up, how the room look like, man. Got clothes everywhere, on the bed, on the chair. Like, dang, and this will happen, you feel me, when I do put my time into a video like this, with my time, my effort, my dedication, all that into the video for you guys, because you know, I know you guys want that top quality, best content out there. I want to keep on snapping on putting videos out there, because you know, consistency is the key. And once you know I can break that code, it's over, man. Just need you guys to, you feel me, tune into my videos, like this video, you hear me, man? You hear me? I'm talking about you that's watching right now that haven't subscribed. Like this video, subscribe, turn the bell on, you feel me? Help a black brother out, bruh. You feel me, bruh? But other than that, I'm gonna catch you on the next video. Got more videos to be posted. Other than that, it's your boy Trappable, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, man. Gang.
Okay, bye.
And we gotta support black creators more, twin, cause like really niggas be hating, bro. Like if a nigga tell them what you did to come on.
Stop this, she love tropical, no cap, we outside. No bullshit if y'all don't, on God.
Shout out to Sheila Tropical.